So, my dear ones, today again we are having an interaction session, and by now, Harshit, Rohit, Harsh, and Sushil and Vaishnavi and Lakshmi have taken their turn, means they have asked their questions, and today I have the name of Rakshit first of all, and after Rakshit it would be the turn of Kabir, and after Kabir Yamni is not here, Lakshmi has done, Priya is not here, Madhu. I have told the name of first Rakshit, then Kabir, and then Madhu. So I think you are ready for today's session, and you are doing well. Day by day, you are improving. And please ask small questions, not so hard or difficult questions, so that the other students may answer those questions comfortably. So I think you are ready for it. So okay, start. Sakshit, come on. I am with you. Start karo.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. So we know that today we have again we have a conversation, and sir has given me the turn to ask questions. So now my first question is that we all know that what is the education system of our India is now. So in your opinion, what should it be? So my this question goes to Rohit.
सर आवाज सही से नहीं आई सर, ये वापस बोल।
आवाज ठीक करके रखो बेटा. Make your audio system okay.
ओके सर. सर अब सही से आ रही है.
Oh, now you, Rakshit, repeat this question in short and easy language.
Okay, sir. So my question is, what should be our education system in today's time, and what is it is now? So my this question goes to Rohit.
Not
Yes.
today's time, but at present time. Okay. Answer, Rohit.
Yes, sir. In present time, as we can see that the education system is developing, but there are many weak points in the education system still, because there are many teachers which do not teach good in the schools and do not provide quality education. So the next step for the good education should be the enhanced should be in enhancing the creativity of the students, rather than learning and iterating the things.
Yes, Rohit, your answer is very good. So my next question is that how can we improve our uh, skills in reading? And then my this question goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
Sushil is not here.
Okay, sir. So my this question goes to Lakshmi Didi.
By practice we can एक बार repeat करना question.
How can we improve our reading skills? Focus किया करो बेटा. Point theme को पकड़ा करो.
We can improve our reading skill by practice and by learning new things, and that's
Your
it.
answer is. Your answer
Yes.
is not clear. Very easy question. This is very easy question. But Lakshmi, what happened to you? we should do practice, but what practice? We should do more and more books. We should read more and more books. We should read newspapers. We should read story books. We should use dictionaries for getting the meanings of the words. So this way you can express yourself. Okay. Next question.
Yes, sir. So my next question is, how is the science improving in today's time? So my this question goes to Vaishnavi Didi.
Can you please repeat this question?
How is science improving? How is science developing day by day?
Science is improving day by day because you can see that uh, like we can take example of TV and AC, cooler,
Hmm.
refrigerator,
Hmm.
and
Mobile, data, network,
yes,
internet.
mobile
You can give
phone,
the
laptop.
example of internet.
Sir?
You can give the example of internet. You can give the example of mobile phone. You can say that
Educate.
a few years back, there were not such mobile as we have today. There was not so much speed of internet, but today we have
Is
faster
5G.
speed. Like that थोड़ा बोलना है ना बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Very good, शाबाश. Next question.
Yes,
समझा रहा हूँ
sir.
आपको कैसे आपको सोचना है बेटा चीजों को. It
So
is
my
very
next
necessary.
question is that how can we use mobile in a good way?
Very good.
So
Next question.
or in a useful way. So my this question goes to Harshit.
Yes, we can use mobile phone in a useful way in many types of things. Like we can take online classes and we can solve our doubts with the help of mobile phone, and we can also do many things like we can do conversation, and these types of things can be used in can be counted in useful things of mobile phone. That's it, Raksh.
Very good.
Yes, sir. So my next question is, can anyone tell me one advantage and disadvantage of electronic items? So my this question goes to Aditya.
Aditya is not present.
Sir, present too.
अब आया होगा बाद में. 3 दिन से तो आ नहीं रहा है तो you have not been coming for the last 2-3 days. Now answer the question.
Yes, sir.
Absent बोल दो इनको एक बार बस. हाँ बोलो.
Yes, sir. First, I say that how the electronic things are harmful for us. Like we see that people listen song on their vehicles, and this is very harmful for them because our accidents chances is very high. So this is the harmful thing of electronic
हाँ.
things. And second is how electronic things are useful for us. There are so many examples of electronic things like mobile TV, etc. With the help of mobile, we solve our problems and calculate big mathematics mathematics questions, etc.
Very nice यार. Nice answer यार. क्या खा के आया आज तू? हैं?
3 दिन इसलिए तो छुपा बैठा था.
तू ये छुपा बैठा तैयारी कर रहा था ये. मतलब ये भी अच्छी बात है. छुपा बैठा था. छुपने की क्या जरूरत है गधे? छुपने से काम चलेगा. बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया आज तूने.
दिल्ली गया था मैं.
अरे दिल्ली गया है इसीलिए ये दिल्ली का असर आ रहा है बेटा तेरे ऊपर. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्ड दिया. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रक्षित.
Yes, sir. So in your opinion, what is good, writing writing in a copy or typing in on electronic items?
Whom you want to
Yes, sir.
ask? Yes.
Yes, sir. So my this question goes to Madhu Didi.
Writing in book and note. Writing in notebook. Uh, we our writing become our writing becomes very nice, and This way, we can increase our writing skill and handwriting also. And through typing, writing, we we can we can send any information, and this way typing, writing.
ओके ठीक है, और थोड़ा ठीक करो। बोला तो अच्छा है,
Yes, sir.
हड़बड़ाहट ज्यादा, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Yes, sir. So my next question is, how can we improve our mental health? So my this question goes to Harsh.
Sir, by yoga.
Sir.
Yes.
हाँ,
That's it.
क्या हुआ?
By yoga, yoga.
बस
बस एक वर्ड में।
एक वर्ड में, इन अ वर्ड।
हाँ सर, योगा से ही तो होता है मेंटल हेल्थ से ही। By yoga or listening some music which ऐसा?
Yes, sir. So my next question is, what is the effect of mental health on our positive health? So my this question goes to Khushi Didi.
Repeat the question.
Yes, sir. What is the effect of mental health on our positive health?
सर मुझे क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया।
ओके, नेक्स्ट नाम बोलो आप।
मतलब
Okay, sir.
समझा देता हूँ खुशी। हमारी जो पॉजिटिव हेल्थ होती है, उसके ऊपर हमारी जो मेंटल हेल्थ होती है, उसका क्या असर होता है। पॉजिटिव हेल्थ कंसिस्ट्स both physical and mental health. We are enjoying positive health when we are mentally as well as physically fit. So it is very important to be mentally fit, is very important to be positive healthy. And clear हो गया बात आपको? If we think positive means we are positive, we are enjoying positive health, positive mental thinking is the heart of mental health. If we have emotional support of our family members, of our friends, so we are mentally strong. It also helps us to lead a positive health. Okay, next question.
Yes, sir. So my next question is, how can we improve our knowledge? So my this question goes to Priya Didi.
Very good, nice question, very easy question.
Yes, we can improve our knowledge by reading a lot of and
Your voice
important
is not
books,
clear.
and by
Your voice is not
the
clear, Priya.
phone, by searching.
Not listening to me. Your voice is not clear. Not audible. You are
Hello, sir.
audible but not clear. Clearly, you are not audible.
सर अब आ रही है?
आ तो रही है, पहले भी आ रही थी।
हेलो सर,
इतनी साफ वाली चीज होती है यार।
अब आ रही है सर, clear?
बोल बोल।
We can improve our knowledge by reading books and with the help of mobile phone, by searching some important things and valuable things, and we can improve our knowledge by our elders, by their experience, also.
Hmm.
That
Okay. Next question.
Yes, sir. My next question is how our writing skill affects our speaking.
Hmm.
So, my this question goes to Gaurav.
Gaurav, Gaurav, camera चालू करो अपना. Gaurav is not here. Call the name of
Okay,
Gaurav.
sir. Yes, sir. So, my this question goes to Yamini Didi.
Yamini is not here. She is absent. Harsh,
Kabir.
Kabir,
Sir. Kabir.
Kabir.
Affects our speaking, like we do many writing, like we do many grammatical mistakes, like we say on the place of verb we say was. It affects our speaking very much, because we can't speak properly, like we do many grammatical mistakes and vocabulary mistakes. We can't write, we can't pronounce any spelling by our writing, by our speaking. Yes sir, that's it.
Very good. Shabash. Nice response. Very good.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Yes, sir. So, my next question is how the deterioration of animals and jungles affect our environment.
बहुत बढ़िया. Nice question.
Sir, can
So,
repeat?
my this question.
Hmm.
Sorry, wait करूं.
बोलो बोलो.
Yes, sir. How the deterioration of jungles and animals affect our environment.
Hmm.
So, my this question goes to Gaurav.
Sir, what is the meaning of deterioration?
कमी आना. Quality down होना.
Oh, sir. So, because of the deforestation of forests, we can lack, because it can be so heat, and global warming will be increased so much, because it's seen that anywhere a place which has the place of trees, there's no heat there.
Okay. Yes. Next question. Rachit.
Yes, sir. My next question is how can we prevent global warming? So, my this question goes to Muskan.
Sir, repeat करने
How
को.
can we check? How can we control global warming? Very simple question, beta. I think she is not able. Just come on, Rakshit. Call someone else.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think all have taken their turns.
No, not all. I think Harsh.
No, sir. Sir, Harsh
My turn
has
again, sir.
taken
I
his
have given the
turn.
answer. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Rakshit,
Sir,
for
sir,
answering your
I have a
questions.
question for you also.
For me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what is the difference between education and knowledge?
Education means to train our mind, and knowledge is just an information. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Knowledge is just only information. But to use that knowledge is education.
Okay, sir.
Education
Thank you, sir.
actually, education means to train the mind. Yes. This is the main thing. Once we are trained to use anything, to use knowledge, once we are trained to use our mind, we can do anything. We can use the knowledge. But without having this ability of using our mind, we can't use that knowledge. Like you had a lot of knowledge of English grammar, and most of the people have it. But just by having this knowledge, you were not able to speak this language. But when you were trained, when a system was installed in your mind to use that knowledge properly, so now you are able to speak. This is the difference.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So now I am calling. Whose turn is it?
Kabir.
Kabir. Come on, Kabir.
Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. Today I will interact with you by some questions.
Shabash.
So my first question is, what do you mean by a home and a house? सर नाम बोल दो किसी बच्चे का.
Okay, Gaurav. Gaurav is not here. Rohit. Rohit is also not here. Harsh bhi nahi hoga तो. Rakshit.
Yes, sir. So there is a difference between a house and a home. A house is made up of cements and other materialistic things, but a home is made with feelings of the family members.
Nice.
So that's it.
Very good. Nice answer. Yes, come on. Kabir.
What will you do on this Rakhi?
Lakshmi.
I will buy Rakis and I will put Rakhi to my brothers
Put कैसे हो जाएगा?
and
Put कैसे हो जाएगा? I will tie.
sir, tie. I will tie Rakhi to my brothers and I will buy nariyals, laddus and etc.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. हाँ.
And I will get gift from my brothers.
Yes, I will get gifts. This is the main important thing.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Shabash. Yes, next question. One nice question. Very good. Very nice questions. Come on. Yes, Kabir.
Yes, sir. Which is your favorite festival?
Khushi.
My favorite festival, Diwali festival. Is Diwali festival.
Why this is your favorite festival? थोड़ा सा बोल ले और मौका मिला है आज तो.
Because I like childhood times and I don't know why like Diwali, but I like childhood.
But I like Diwali. I don't know why I like it, but I like it. Shabash. Yes, next question.
Sir, do you like any science gadget? If you like it, so why do you like it?
मुस्कान, सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन आ गया अब तो. सुगली सी.
Sir, mobile phone.
Oh, mobile phone. Why?
Because
mobile phone
it helps in my study. It helps because it helps.
खुश कितनी खुश हो गई मोबाइल के नाम से. देखो बोला नहीं जा रहा इससे. She has become so much happy that she is not able to utter even a single word from her mouth. Very good.
सिर्फ मेरी बहन है वो परेशान कर रही है.
परेशान कर रही है तेरे को. छोटी बहन है बड़ी बहन है, झाड़ा लगा दे. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कबीर.
Yes, sir. Where will you like to go in your future?
Madhu.
I like to go Mount Abu, Sirohi.
बस कुछ तो और बोल देगा सेंटेंस. वाई थोड़ा सा तो बोल दिया कर. ऐसे भी क्या पीछा छुड़ा रही है एक सेंटेंस बोल.
Yes, sir. Because there is situated a peaceful uh, university. This name is uh, Brahma Kumari University. I like to spend time this environment.
In this environment, preposition of
In
होता
this
है.
environment.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kabir, next.
Do you like to go school or not?
Vaishnavi,
Yes,
honestly,
I like.
answer your question honestly.
Yes, I like to go school because there is an environment of study, and I love school so much, and I like to play with my friends, and
Talk
I
with my
sit with
friends.
my friends in the school, and I do many musties, and yes,
This
sir,
is the
that's
main
it.
reason. Yeah. She is not. Where she would meet her friends if she would not go to school. Eh? Yes. Very nice answer. Shabash. Kabir, next.
Yes, sir. We see that many people do discrimination. So how discrimination?
Aditya.
And so what is the meaning of question?
Repeat करो question.
ये क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया, सुन तो लिया है वो समझ नहीं आया.
You want to say that I have the answer, but question is not clear. Very good. Shabash. Repeat the question, Kabir.
Yes, sir. We see discrimination around us. So if you want to stop it, how will you stop it?
Yes.
I cannot give the answer.
Huh?
सर इसको
I don't.
डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का मतलब नहीं पता सर.
तो पूछ लेना डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का मतलब हम बता देते हैं.
बता दो तो.
पूछ ले, शर्मा क्यों रहा है तू?
डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का मतलब क्या होता है?
भेदभाव, अंतर.
मैं आज तक किसी के अंदर अंतर निकाल ही नहीं पाया, तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा.
तो भाई तो दिल्ली के मूड में है. यस, कम ऑन. प्रिया.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can reduce discrimination by we can try to understand them, and we can do some social revolution for it, and there should be one subject in our school for it. That's it.
Okay, nice. Yes, come on, Kabir.
Yes, sir. When will you go to your village?
Sorry?
Sorry. When do you go to your village?
When do you go to your village, Rohit?
Sir, I go to my village mostly on occasions and on some family parties and etc. That rarely happens, but I have to go there, and but mostly I go on occasions, and that is a very enjoyable moment for me.
Okay, nice. Come on, next.
Yes, sir. Don't like to study. If you like it, why? And if you don't.
Repeat the question. Your audio is not okay.
सर मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है.
Do you like to do study? If you like it, why? And if you like it, if you don't like it, why?
Yes, Rohit. Harsh.
Sir, skating.
Study.
Study.
Do you like study? If yes, why? No, why?
I like study because it gives us knowledge and sharpens our mind.
answer. Yes, next question.
What do you do on festival?
Gaurav.
Diwali.
What happened?
Diwali.
What do you do on festivals? This is the question.
Sir, I celebrate them with my family with fun and joy and celebrate them happily.
Very good. कहाँ खो जाता है? क्या हो जाता है? टेंशन है क्या तेरे? Do you have any tension? Is there any problem? What happens to you sometimes here?
Sir, पता नहीं but
Sometimes you are not audible. Sometimes you are not visible. Sometimes you are here. Sometimes you are there. Sometimes you are nowhere. What is this here? Okay. So I think it is enough for today. Thank you very much.